then
Wow.
over here, this tree, we just cut down part of it, and I've got to cut down more. This is a corkscrew willow. And if you, let me see if I can find something. Yeah, here.
Oh,
You
okay.
can see how this is, how it kind of screws around.
Uh-huh.
They take if you go to nice hotels, you'll see right in the entryway that they'll have some of these
Oh,
up
yeah,
with
yeah.
like gladiolas or something like that,
Uh-huh.
corkscrew willow. But the other beauty of
Nice.
willow, and this tree, oh gosh, it's got to be 20 years old, maybe more, 25. Normally they only live about 15 years. And you can see it's dying from the top, but it still has life in it. So I'm cutting back the dead parts, leave it,
Okay.
but it's maybe has another year, 2 years at the most.
Okay.
But the beauty of it, the Native Americans used to take the bark and when it's green, this is not, it's dry, but they take it and chew on it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a aspirin. For the
Really?
headache, yeah.
Huh.
And then the other thing is too that I use when I talk about my mama fig trees. I'll start fig trees, and it takes me 6 months to release them. Usually about a year is the ideal time to release them to sell to people to have a tree. Okay. And what I'll do is take a piece of this, maybe about this long,
Mm-hmm.
and I'll scrape it with my knife, the bark, because it's
Mm-hmm.
green then, right? So it's all wet. Put it down inside with the cutting off the fig tree, and almost 100 out of 100. I mean, sometimes maybe 95, but most all of them will start. Fig's easy to start anyway, but with
Really?
this it makes it better because it's got a hormone in it similar to what you have with the rooting hormone. Instead of having to dip it in the chemical, you just put the piece of bark down inside there,
So
and it starts.
for people